I want to address something. Why is it that you need to have that engagement letter signed and get paid before you do the return? Let me just explain something. If you do a tax return for somebody and you hit the send, they sign the e-file, whatever, and let's assume they sign the engagement letter, off the return goes. You are responsible for that return. The Office of Professional Responsibility from the IRS can come after you. The State Board of Accountancy can come after you if you violated the standards of tax practice. You're on the hook for that. Whether or not you got paid, that's your problem. All right. So if you're not getting paid up front, you're taking on all the risk. You're spending the time doing this in the hopes that you get paid. And I think most of you probably say, well, over time, I'll get paid. If nothing else, before next tax season, I'll definitely get paid. I got news for you. With the returns being automated, and if you haven't done that, see my other videos. You really should automate this already. I mean, the regional firms, there's no human being doing 1040s. It's all automated. And no, you don't need to build a system from scratch. It exists. The big thing, though, you need to get paid. If you're going to suck it up and be miserable during tax season, you need to be getting paid for that. All right. And I got news for you. There's not enough of you that do this. I'd be increasing my rates. That's a different video, a different day. The bottom line, you're on the hook for that return. Ethically, under Circular 230, if you're a CPA, the standards of tax practice. If you're an EA, the model rules, from the National Association of Enrolled Agents, you are responsible for everything on that return. If there's a mistake or anything like that, you're on the hook. The fact that you haven't been paid is not the client's problem, it is yours. So you're not getting out of jail free because you weren't paid. So get paid. All right. Ignition will automate this. I've done this in a number of videos. All right. I'm harping on it. Why? Read it and weep. Life is too short to work another tax season. You should get paid what you're worth, and you need to get paid up front. In my law practice, Mr. Green, me, does not do anything until Mr. Green, the money, shows up. Not that I don't like my client, and not that I don't trust my client. I don't want to be in the situation of chasing my client in the hopes to get paid. And I will tell you, given what I do for a living, I've had clients not pay me. We've sued clients before. It's really not where you want to be. I got to be honest with you. And if you're a CPA or EA, the last thing you want to now do is go to small claims court or hire lawyers or collection people. You don't deal with it. If they're not going to pay you up front, better off to not kill yourself working for them during tax season. So knowing that life is too short to work another tax season, if you're gonna get paid up front, put Ignition in place, make sure every client has signed and paid. You'll get alerted. It will follow up with them if they haven't done it. You've automated this process and you will collect way more money, way faster. I did a podcast with Dawn Brolin, I think in February. She'd already collected 200,000, had in the bank. She put it in a money market. She never had that much money before in her life that early. Why? Ignition takes care of it. All right. Go click the link below, do the demo. I'm urging you to do this. Trust me, the time you're going to save and the money in the bank, you're going to be thanking us later. All right. Go check it out.